Good day everyone, it's Malik here for Tech. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a dry pack case which I bought for my camera, Samurai F-580. So let me read out the so-called the box content. What does it written on it, printed on it? So this dry pack case is mainly for camera, your mobile phone, camera lens, CD DVD, medicine and chemicals. This has a humidity meter. You can see on the right, King Grade. That's the brand of the humidity meter. And let's turn the box and see what other content is printed out. Again, this side of the box, dry pack case, suitable for camera, CD, DVD, optical lens, precision instruments, food, chemical, tea, and etc. So humidity range, if it exceeds 25 to 60 m, we need to change the silica gel. So dimension wise is 310 mm width, 225 millimeter in depth, and 200 millimeter in height. So please keep in a cool place. Please use cloth moistened with water for cleansing, cleaning. Please do not use strong acid or alkaline solution. So there's the model number, made in Taiwan. So let me do the official unboxing with my tiny scissors.
Down, dust cloud, this ain't not taking us down. Not a chance. Stay alive and stay with me. Don't close your eyes. Hold me tight, one last time. We'll be alright. I'll miss your smile. This life got me walking with my head down, head down. Dust clouds.
Okay, now I've unboxed. Let me put in my camera. So before that, I need to unpack the silica gel and keep it in the box. So I've taken out, just drop it. Just for fun, guys. Now for the camera, I will not drop my camera. So this is my A6600, and you can compare the size difference between the box and the camera. So it's with a 35mm lens, and you can see how big is the container. So there you go. I'll be putting back this cover, and that's it. So if you like this box, I'll drop the link to purchase. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you're here for first time. Thank you guys. Bye.